Sometimes folks will ask me, how can I download a Zoom recording that you made from our private one-on-one session? So here's how you would do that. I'm going to show you how I would open up and download a video. So that you might get an email from me that looks something like this. It'll say, here's our Zoom video link. It's got a link, it's got a passcode. You can copy and paste that passcode. So select it and then copy it. Either you can go up to edit and go to copy, or you can use your key command. And then click on this link that I've sent. This will take you to a page that looks something like this with your video here. You can play the video and watch it right then and there, but within 24 to 48 hours, Zoom is automatically going to delete it because I've set Zoom up that way for myself since I do so many classes. So instead, what I'd love for you to do is take your mouse, come up here to the top right-hand corner, see this download text. It has a little arrow pointing down. Click that. And I don't know if you noticed what happened here in the bottom right-hand corner, but that file started automatically downloading. It will now live in my downloads folder. I can either click the arrow beside it, depending on which browser you are using. You might be able to click the file itself. I'm going to go down to Show in Finder, and it shows that this is downloading to my downloads file. So my downloads file is on my computer. I'm using a Mac here. If you're on a PC, it might be in one of your drives, or it might download to your desktop. You'll have to check that out and see where it goes to. But you can see it takes a little while. I've already pre-downloaded one here. So as soon as it finishes downloading, then you're able to watch that file on your desktop anytime you want. You can rename it by either double-clicking on it, depending on the computer you're on, right-clicking on it, going down to rename. You can call this My Zoom Session, or you can date it or put the name of the person you took the class with. Now that makes it a little easier to find. Then you can save it to any folder you want to save it to so that you can find it regularly. These files are pretty big. This file is 823.1 megabytes, and that was for just a 1 hour session. So what I'd recommend is watch it, take your notes, and then delete the file, and that way you don't have to try and store it, unless of course you have some sort of external hard drive or something that you can keep it on. I don't record my workshops very often unless it's a special request, because I want to protect everybody's privacy, and I don't want anyone to feel like they can't ask a question or feel comfortable sharing their work because they know that other people are going to watch it later. So I don't record those sessions. I only record the demo that I do at the beginning of the session, and I record the chat transcript. So I hope this was helpful for any classes that you take or any Zoom sessions you do in the future, but especially for any you do with me. Thank you for watching.